Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to present about assignment digital 3. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Muhammad Anwar. My student ID is 20139840. My lecturer is Amin Nazrin Abdul Rahim. Okay, for the first question, we can see the question is draw the output waveform of Q for negative H trigger JK flip-flop with active flow. Clear and preset by using the input waveform in figure 1.1. So bila dia cakap active low, so the output we can assume that we have to use the preset and clear first, because when preset and clear is 1, so we can refer to the JK. If not, we just refer to the preset and clear output. So for the first one, negative H 1 0, so the output will be 1, and then another one 1 1, so the output will be toggle. Okay, another one 1 1, so the output will be toggle again. So next, the clear is 0 and the preset is 1, so we have to take the clear output, make so it have to be set, so 0. Then another one is preset and clear is 1 1, so we the JK output 1 1, so toggle 1. So lastly 1 1 toggle, okay, 0. For the second question is give the complete name for each flip-flop. Complete the following time in the game in figure 2.1 by drawing the waveform for the output W, X, Y, and Z. Assume that all of the output value are initially at 0. So for the flip-flop 1 is SR flip-flop. For the second one is JK flip-flop. For the one, for the Y, for the third flip-flop is T flip-flop, and for the fourth flip-flop is the D flip-flop. This is the output when W is using the SR height, SR active height. So the output must be different than the active low. So when 1 0, so he get 1, and then 1 0 1, so 0 1 will be get 0, 0 1 will be get 0. Okay, flip-flop is a toggle flip-flop, so we just toggle the output from the A and B. And then D flip-flop, the output must be same with the input, so we can get the output is same. When 0 enter, the output will be 0. When 1 enter, 1 will be the output. The flip-flop is toggle 1 0. Okay, this is the output. Okay, for the question 3, preset and clear. We know that when preset, we have to use 1 and 1. When 1 and 1, we can use the D flip-flop. So I assume like this just. So when the flip-flop, when preset and clear is 1 1, so we just use the D flip-flop is same with the output, so 0. That's why I get 0 here, and then 0, and get 0 here, and then this is 0, this is 1 1, so preset and clear 1 1, so we can get the output of D is 1, so the output will be 1. This is 1 1, so the output is 1. this is 0 because the clear and the clear is 0, so we get the output is 0. So another one is 1 1, we just follow the output 0 0 0 0 0, and then lastly 0 0, we get the clear is 0, so the clear is 0. So another lastly is 1 1, the output of D is 0, so we get this. The Q bar is just the putar balik the of Q. Okay, for the fourth question is D flip-flop, D and enable. D and enable flip-flop the same, just it active when enable only. So the question asks for the when the 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, and then when the output when the D0 is 0 and enable is 1, so we get 0 because the D0 is 0. And then when another one is high and the D0 is 1, so we get 1 for this. Another one enable is high, the D0 is 0, so we get 0 here. And then here is enable is high and the D0 is 0, so we get here 0. Okay, and then Q1 is the output of D1. So when enable 1 is 1 and D1 is 1, so we get 1 here. And then here is 1 is 0. The enable is high, so we get 0 here. Okay, another one like we just follow D1, so 0 0. D2 just follow the D2 output 1 1, the D2 is 0, so the output is 0 here. This is enable high, D2 is high, so Q2 is high also. This is enable high, and then the D2 is 0, so D2 here is 0, is 0 too. It's the same like that. So that's all for me, and thank you.